Welcome back. Today we talk about AI-powered profits review. AI-powered profits review, a step-by-step guide to ebook success. If you've ever thought about creating an ebook but felt overwhelmed by the process, AI-powered profits might be the solution you've been looking for. This guide walks you through everything you need to know about creating and launching an ebook using artificial intelligence. From the first word to the final sale, AI-powered profits simplifies each step, making it accessible to beginners and experts alike. What is AI-powered profits? AI-powered profits is a comprehensive guide that shows you how to create an ebook using AI tools. It doesn't stop at creation. It also helps you launch and sell your ebook, targeting the right audience and attracting affiliates to boost your sales. The focus is on using AI to streamline the ebook creation process, making it quicker and easier for anyone to produce a high-quality product. The power of AI in ebook creation. The guide emphasizes the use of AI tools like ChatGPT to help you write and edit your ebook. These tools can significantly speed up the writing process. You don't need to be an expert writer to produce a professional quality ebook. With AI's help, even someone with limited writing experience can create content that resonates with readers. Step-by-step guidance. One of the strongest aspects of AI-powered profits is its clear, step-by-step approach. The guide doesn't assume you already know the ins and outs of ebook creation. Instead, it starts from the basics and builds up your knowledge gradually. You'll learn how to brainstorm ideas, organize your content, and format your ebook for publication. Affiliate marketing made simple. AI-powered profits also delves into affiliate marketing. This is where you can really scale your ebook sales. The guide explains how to attract affiliates who will promote your ebook for you. It even includes a secret website that can help you find the right affiliates quickly. Simplified ebook marketing. Ebook marketing can often seem complex, with many moving parts. Breaks it down into simple, actionable steps. Whether you're focusing on affiliate recruitment strategies or fine-tuning your sales page, the guide ensures you're never left feeling lost. A fear-free process. Many people are hesitant to start creating an ebook because they're afraid of the unknown. AI-powered profits aims to eliminate that fear. By simplifying each step and providing clear instructions, the guide makes the entire process approachable. Even if you're completely new to digital products, you'll find the guidance easy to follow. Conclusion. AI-powered profits is more than just a guide. It's a roadmap to ebook success. It leverages the power of AI to make the ebook creation process faster and easier. The step-by-step guidance, combined with a done-for-you website template and affiliate marketing strategies, makes it a comprehensive tool for anyone looking to enter the digital product market.